The glass doors slide open without a sound. A grand Bentley showroom, silent, polished, and drenched in soft ambient lighting, stands like a cathedral of pure wealth. No crowd, no launch event, no media. Only one man was invited. He steps inside slowly, shoes touching the marble floor with the same respect one gives to a place of worship. A Bentley executive whispers, "Sir, welcome to the world's first Bentley Motorhome. Built for one purpose, to redefine what it means to travel without leaving luxury behind." And there it is, a 55-foot masterpiece finished in royal pearl. White and deep emerald green, wrapped in Bentley's iconic chrome diamond grille, but scaled to a motorhome. Every curve is sculpted, not manufactured. Every line feels like it belongs to both the past and the future. Not a vehicle, not an RV. A moving 5-star estate on wheels. The backstory. For years, Bentley refused to enter the motorhome world. Not because they couldn't, but because nothing ever met their standard. Bentley builds cars for the gentlemen of the world. Drivers who drink silence like champagne. Owners for whom time is no longer measured in hours, but in moments worth remembering. So when billionaires began converting buses, jets, yachts, even tanks into luxury homes on wheels, Bentley said one sentence: "If we do it, it must feel like a Bentley, even at 120 km/h." That sentence began a 6-year project. 47 prototypes, 12 rejected interior concepts, and a total R&D cost of $420 million, just for one vehicle. The invitation, only 6 people in the world were selected to preview it. Not influencers, not reviewers, not car journalists, but owners of Bentley Mulliner one-offs, the rarest class of Bentley clients. The man we follow in this story? A 52-year-old billionaire investor. Quiet, private. He built schools in Africa, but no one knows his name. He doesn't buy things to show power. He buys things to protect peace. When the Bentley letter arrived, it wasn't printed. It was handwritten, sealed in silver wax, delivered by courier. Inside, a single line: "Your journey begins where the road ends." The door opens. He presses his hand to the biometric panel. The door unlocks with the soft click of a Swiss watch. And as it opens, the scent of real Bentley leather fills the air. Not artificial fragrance, not chemical perfume. Real, classic, silent luxury. Inside, cream-quilted leather, dark oak veneer, brushed platinum fixtures, and a hand-woven Persian silk carpet that took 2 women 61 days to complete. The billionaire pauses. He doesn't say, "Wow," he just smiles, because when something is truly perfect, it doesn't surprise you. It feels inevitable. The first steps inside, no loud tech panels, no futuristic noise, just a calm, ultra-luxurious space that travels. A living room with a 98-inch disappearing OLED screen, a fireplace that uses real flame controlled by AI wind sensors, a sofa that isn't a seat. It's a Bentley daybed, upholstered by the same team that works on the Flying Spur interiors. But the beauty isn't in what's seen, it's in what's heard, or rather, what's not heard. The motorhome is soundproof to private jet standards. Even at 100 km/h, the loudest noise inside is the ticking of a handmade analog Bentley clock. Engine? Not just an engine. Bentley didn't install a diesel engine. They installed a silent 100% electric twin motor system powered by a solid-state battery platform developed with Rolls-Royce Aerospace. Range, 2,000 km per charge. Top speed, 140 km/h, electronically limited. Ride quality. Clouds envy this suspension. This is not transportation. This is gliding across Earth without disturbing it. The philosophy? Most motorhomes try to feel like a mini house. Bentley refused that idea. Instead, they asked, "What if home and travel were the same thing? Not leaving home, but taking home with you? Not an RV, not a house on wheels. A rolling private estate." The journey begins, keys? No, the vehicle starts when the owner sits in the driver's seat and places a hand on the crystal-cut steering wheel. Like a living being, the Bentley wakes up gently. Lights glow slowly. Screens fade in softly. Navigation appears with a voice like a concierge. Good evening, sir. Your road is ready. Scenic mode active. Would you like fresh espresso? The billionaire laughs quietly. He hasn't been offered a drink by a car since his jet. The first drive. The motorhome glides out of the showroom and onto the open road. No engine sound, no vibration, just pure motion, like being pushed by a silent force. On the highway, people look. Some record, some stare. But inside, the owner feels the opposite of attention. He feels privacy, safety, peace. For the first time, he can travel without arriving tired, drive without stress, move without noise. And in that moment, he understands why Bentley built this. The first stop, Swiss Alps. The road climbs slowly, through alpine curves, snow brushing the windows, the sky turning lavender. The motorhome parks at a cliffside view, automatic leveling legs deploying silently, stabilizing the vehicle within seconds. Lights shift to warm sunset mode. Fireplace turns on automatically. Floor heating activates. The outside is winter. Inside is timeless comfort. He walks to the back bedroom, touches the edge of the king-size Bentley bed, feels the 1800 thread Egyptian cotton sheets. He whispers, "This is not a vehicle. This is a life I didn't know was missing." The emotional note: some people travel to see the world. Some travel to escape it. But the Bentley Motorhome 2027 was created for a third kind of human. Someone who wants the world to come with them. At their pace. On their terms. Without losing elegance. It is wealth, not bragged, but mastered. And the billionaire knows. This isn't a purchase. This is an era of his life. If you enjoy this video, to subscribe button to press for more future videos.